My project. Use two but simple connectors.
Hello, teacher, classmate. I brought to the screen for the video last week, but I did not. I brought my phone. In this video, my family organized a lunch last month for Celebrity Mother's Day.
Este no me olvida, porque en una copa se le vuelve la vida.
I didn't used to go to family meetings. I was very happy with my family. Here's my father. He died last week. I used to tell for him or call him. I live it very close. Today is Sunday. I used to watch TV or sleep every day with my son. I used to eat for the restaurant, but with the pandemic, the economy, I cook in home. I prepared a lunch for my son. 2 hours.
Hello.
Bye.